Check out this 2011 Hyundai Sonata. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include latch child safety seat anchors and tethers, electronic stability control, keyless entry, integrated anti-theft system and panic, intermittent speed-sensitive windshield wipers, traction control system, 4-wheel disc anti-lock brakes, driver and front passenger advanced front airbags, and steering wheel mounted cruise control. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.